Yes, the meeting in Delhi chaired by the Amit Shah ji. In fact, the outcome, the decisions of the meeting is a very welcome step, and the free movement should be open from 8th March. No doubt that it is a very welcome, but the earlier government, the previous government was also BJP government in the state. Why this decision was not taken earlier? It is in fact the people are suffering more than 21 months in the state. There was no free movement. In the last 21 months, is going to be 22 months now. And right after this 21 months, Amit Shah is going to open all the routes, all the highways is going to open from 8th March. Yeah, that is okay, that is good. But how much of these people of Manipur suffer in the 21 months? This BJP government in the state is also BJP government. That is why the peoples are suffering since 3rd May 2023. It is not new. And also regarding this fencing, border fencing, that is also good. This is the long demand of the people, that the illegal immigrants infiltrating from the Myanmar country along the borders of Manipur, India, and during the Congress time, 9.214 kilometers have already successfully completed. And why this BJP government didn't continue for the last 10 years? This is important questions to the central government and the state government. And this is also not a new one. During our Congress government is already started and completed 9 kilometers, and then all the time the central ministry, external affairs minister, home minister already mentioned this and that many times, but it is too late. So the step is also very good and positive step is welcome, and it should be completed with time-bound manner. This is because of this factor, it's also the unrest situation in the Myanmar. Now also you see, we are experiencing a lot that these many illegal immigrants are there in the border area. Now still in Kamjong district, many camps are there near the Assam Rifle Post. They are all illegal immigrants coming from Myanmar. They are not Manipuris. They are not the indigenous people of Manipur. And why and how this situation is coming up over there along the border area? Is it the Assam Rifles protecting them? There is no detection by the external affairs minister. There is no any type of this procedures to detect these illegal immigrants along the border area. Everybody knows. Kaching is our, Urkhul is our district, Kamjong, Sangdel, these are all our district. We know everything. People know everything. Illegal immigrants coming from Myanmar, that is still there. And the recent outcome in the meeting in Delhi, this is not a new, but it should be completed immediately. Otherwise, this chaos will continue in the state. Unrest situation will continue in the state. It is the sole responsibility of this BJP government. Even if it is the president's rule in the state, this is also BJP, controlled by the central government. They should complete immediately. It is a long time demand, it's a long time intention of the central government. Why they are delaying this thing to take up these measures, to take up this fencing and all along this Myanmar border? It is very funny that they are saying this and that, and their action is quite inactions. That's why this chaos is come up in the state. The drugs, mentioning the illegal business of drugs and all, these amisages clearly pointed out in the meeting, and there was a decision in the meeting. In fact, regarding this matter also, during this BJP government, there is no serious measures that did not take during this government, and now also the president rule is under BJP. We have been experiencing, we have seen many things, many these drug arrests in the state. So we Congress party always demand the arrest of these drug smuggler to the government, that we are demanding to hand over the arrests, those who are arrested from the commandos, police and top profiles, high profiles of the BJP. So they never handed over to the CBI or central agency. So during our Congress time, whatever it was, we already handed over the matter to CBI or something like these central agencies to do the investigation. But you see, we have seen that the one of the high profile of the BJP, Lokhosi Jau, in that case also, we all the time demanded to hand it over to the CBI or any these central neutral agencies. That also we demanded in the assembly session, as well as to the different platforms. We demanded to take up serious measures, to hand it over to the national investigation team. That was not happen. And in fact, the outcome of this Delhi meeting shared by the Amit Shah, that is very good. Our state in Manipur is a very trouble thrown, and the business of the drug plantation, the poppy plant, it is the surrounding areas. We have seen that the plantation of the poppy plant and the drug business, arrest of this illegal drug business everywhere in the other state also, coming from Manipur, coming through this state, this arrest case, this drug, this arrest in Guwahati, Delhi, whatever it is coming from Manipur. So that in that case, so this government is not serious. But I don't know why the BJP government is not serious on this matter.